Well, hello, uh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whichever part of the world you are joining me from. Uh, this is week two of Badge of the Week initiative, and today this is a very quick, short session, around 5-10 minutes at max. Uh, this week we are covering Bluemix Essentials, and I'll start by sharing my screen and just walking you through the course. So here we go. So this is IBM Cloud Essentials or Bluemix Essentials is the course. How do you find this course? Just go to IBM Developer Works /badges. So IBM Developer Works badges, and first page that comes up is this one, and this is the badge I'm talking about. This is Bluemix Essentials or IBM Cloud Essentials. IBM Cloud was earlier called Bluemix. So you just click on this link, and this link would take you to a page that looks like this. And then you click on Get Started, and you figure out the stuff. It tells you what IBM Cloud is about, what is a platform as a service, what is an infrastructure as a service, how you can deploy an app there. And there are 3 labs here. Just go through the text. This is pretty self-explanatory, and the checkpoints are, I found them pretty easy to handle. There are 3 labs here. First lab would help you in creating an app from one of the starter packs. So this is my IBM Cloud dashboard open. If you click on catalog over here, it would take you to the starter pack and stuff. So what this says is to use Liberty app, Liberty for Java, and I guess just give me a sec. So rather, you click on the starter kit, and then you select Node.js or any starter that you want. So, and then the first lab would tell you how you can deploy it quickly and stuff and everything else. So that's the first lab. The second lab would be on how to create an app using continuous delivery and deploy it. So again, it's pretty self-explanatory. There is a ready-made app given for you, and you have to just download it from the GitHub repository. You would need your IBM CLI to push that app from your computer to cloud. And so just understand how to do it. It's pretty simple. I have my terminal open. If you want to look into how I did it, it's I made an app called Badge of the Week Initiative, and I also attached it to CloudEnt DB on the backside, and then I merged those two. It's pretty click, 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 and finally your app gets linked, and there are a couple of established tool chains, and then you get to modify modify the app. You would also get a chance to go to this GitHub repository, and it will tell you how you can deploy to cloud here, or you can download the zip file. It would download to something like this Node.js file, extract it, migrate to this repository, this folder, and then run bx cloud cf push. It's pretty quick, and then you can also change and do all the stuff, and it's really fun, good stuff. It would give you a quick introduction to IBM Cloud. Both labs, the third lab is will help you how to modify the app and change some text and do so. It's pretty easy. Third and the fourth one, working with Eclipse, is an optional work. So if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. If you don't want to, it's perfectly fine. And then, as usual, there's a quiz at the end. You have to score 80% to get a pass mark and get a badge. So do try this course. It's pretty easy. It gives you a good exposure of IBM Cloud and how it works. If you have any questions, you have the Slack channel to post the questions, or just comment on the YouTube video below, and I'll be happy to answer it. If you want me to run this entire code again and manually show it to you, like how all these stuff happened and what I did here, I'll be happy to do it for you again. But I think it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. So thank you so much for joining in the week 2. I hope you joined us before. If you haven't, then do check out the video link for week 1, where we talked about blockchain essentials. And I think you'd find it's great fun to deploy a blockchain app so quickly. Thank you so much, and have a really great rest of the weekend or the weekday, wherever you will watch this video, and have a really good time. Thank you.